Okay. Good morning class 8. This is your part 9 video from basics of quadrilateral and from subjective questions. So today we start from the question number 8. So our question number 8 is ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram in which a pair of adjacent angles are in the ratio 1:2. Find all the angles. See the question. Question is what? ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. So you see ABCD is a parallelogram. First of all, you draw a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Clear? In which a pair of adjacent angle method, this one called adjacent angle. So this one is given in the form 1:2. So let adjacent angle be 1x and 2x. That means this one is 1x and this one is 2x. So we know that sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. So 1x plus 2x equals to 180 degree. So sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. So this is 3x equals to 180 degree. Therefore x equals to 180 by 3, that is 60 degree. So angle A equals to 1x, that means 1 into 60 is 60. So angle B equals to 2x, that means 2 into 60 equals to 120. Angle C equals to angle A. We know that opposite angles are equal, that means 60. And angle B equals to angle D equals to 120. Reason: opposite angles are equal. Okay, note. Question point number 9. Question number 9. The diagonal of a rhombus are 10 centimeter and 26 centimeter. Find the length of one side of the rhombus. Okay. The diagonal of rhombus are 10 centimeter and 26 centimeter. First of all, we draw a rhombus. This is the rhombus figure. Okay. And this one is diagonal. A, B, C, D. AC equals to 10. That means this diagonal is 10. And BD equals to 26 centimeter. Given. Okay, so we know that the diagonals of a rhombus are bisect each other. So therefore AO equals to OC equals to 10 by 2, because divided into 2 equal parts. So this 10 converted into 5 and 5. Okay, and BO equals to OD equals to 26 by 2, that is 13 centimeter. We know that diagonals bisect each other. Clear? Okay. In triangle AOB, angle AOB equals to 90 degree. Clear? Diagonal intersect at 90 degree. Okay, So AO is given 5 centimeter and BO is given 13 centimeter. So opposite of 90 is called hypotenuse. Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to height square plus base square. Hypotenuse, that means opposite of 90 is hypotenuse, that is AB square, height is 5 square and base is 13 square. So AB square equals to 5 square, that is 25, and 13 square is 169. Okay, so AB equals to 5 9 14 194. So therefore AB equals to root under 194 centimeter. So root okay 194 centimeter. So one side of the rhombus is 194 centimeter. Okay, so we know that all sides of the rhombus are equal. So AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. That means this one equals to root under 194 centimeter. All sides of a rhombus are equal. Okay, note. Okay, now question number 10. In a parallelogram ABCD, AB equals to x plus 7 centimeter and CD equals to 2x minus 5 centimeter. Find AB. Okay, so first of all we draw a parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Done. AB is x plus 7 centimeter and CD is 2x minus 5 centimeter. Okay, find AB. So we know that AB equals to CD. Opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. So this one is x plus 7 and this one is 2x minus 5. So x minus 2x minus 5 minus 7, x minus 2x minus x minus 5 minus 7 minus 12. Cut it down. X equals to 12 centimeter. Okay, so we get the value of x equals to 12 centimeter. So AB is given x plus 7 centimeter. So in place of x we write down 12 plus 7 centimeter, that is 19 centimeter. Okay, note. Question number 11. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. If angle A equals to angle B equals to 45, find the measures of angle C and angle D. Okay, so first of all we draw a trapezium. We know that one side of trapezium is parallel. So A, B, C, D. Okay, now AB is parallel to CD, also given. Angle A is 45, angle B is also 45. So this angle is given, that means this is isosceles triangle, or you write down here. Okay, A B C D, this one 45, this one 45, that means this is isosceles trapezium. Okay, because two sides are equal. Okay, find the measure of angles C and D. This is parallel sign given. We know that co-interior angle is supplementary, so angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree, and angle A plus angle D equals to 180 degree. Co-interior angles are supplementary. So angle B is 45 plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Angle C equals to 180 minus 45, that is 135, and angle A plus angle D equals to 180 degree. Angle A is 45 given. Angle D equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle D equals to 180 minus 45, it's 135 degree. Okay, note. Now question number 12. Two adjacent angle of a rhombus are in the ratio. Two adjacent angles of a rhombus are in the ratio 2:3. Find the angles of the rhombus. Okay, so this is a rhombus A, B, C, D. Again, two adjacent angles. We know that rhombus has also follow the properties of the parallelogram. Some additional features of rhombus has it. Okay, but rhombus also features rhombus, square, rectangle, all the quadrilateral figures has follow the features of the parallelogram, and then they have some additional features. Okay, so adjacent angle is 2 or 3 given. So let adjacent angle be 2x and 3x. So 2x plus 3x equals to 180 degree. So 5x equals to 180 degree. X equals to 180 by 5, that is 36. Okay, so find the angles of the rhombus. So angle A is we taken 2x and this one is 3x, adjacent angle. So 2x, that means 2 into 36 is 72 degree. Angle B is 3x, that means 3 into 36 equals to 108 degree. Okay, now this angle equals to this angle, because we know that opposite angles are equal. So angle A equals to angle C equals to 72 degree. Angle B equals to angle D. Angle B equals to angle D equals to 108 degree. Opposite angles are equal. Okay, so ABCD, we got the angles of ABCD. Note.